Hello and welcome. I'm Gary McKenzie with Artistic Landscaping. If you've ever dreamed of turning your backyard into a personal retreat where you can relax, entertain, and escape the stresses of daily life, then you're in the right place. Today I'm excited to show you how we can create a beautiful backyard getaway tailored just for you. A backyard getaway can be so much more than just a few chairs and a grill. Imagine stepping outside and finding yourself in a space that feels like a luxurious resort, a place where every element is designed to bring you comfort, style, and relaxation. From peaceful garden paths and private nooks to outdoor kitchens and fire pits, we design backyards that feel like a true extension of your home, a place where you can unwind, entertain, and create lasting memories with family and friends. At Artistic Landscaping, we understand that everyone's idea of a perfect backyard is different. That's why we take the time to get to know you, understand your needs, and create a custom design that reflects your style and enhances your lifestyle. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy corner to enjoy your morning coffee, a vibrant garden for weekend barbecues, or at a serene spot to watch the sunset, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Our team handles everything from design to installation, using high-quality materials and sustainable practices to ensure your backyard getaway not only looks beautiful, but also stands the test of time. Your backyard should be a place that invites you to relax, rejuvenate, and connect with nature. And with the right design, it can be all that and more. At Artistic Landscaping, we're passionate about creating outdoor spaces that feel like your personal sanctuary, a place where you can truly feel at home. If you're ready to transform your backyard into a beautiful getaway, contact us today for a free consultation. Let's start designing your perfect outdoor retreat.